Welcome, Algebra. Today we're going to talk about relations. And let me just share with you a few of my relations. Here's my family, my wife and kids, and I have extended family, of course, and so do you. These are all your relations. Relations in math, and in algebra specifically, are a little bit different, but it's still kind of the root idea there. A relation is simply a relationship between two numbers. When we talk about graphing, I'm sure this is review for you, but that's a coordinate graph. We have an x-axis, we have a y-axis. There's numbers. It's like a number line going horizontal and a number line going vertical. And we could graph a certain point. Let me just graph over 2, up 3. So the x value is 2, the y value is 3. This is called an ordered pair. Hopefully that's review. 2, 3 is essentially a relation. Really, usually it's kind of a collection of ordered pairs. So if I wrote up here another one, maybe over 1 and down 2, so that's 1, negative 2. And to the left 3 and up 0, so negative 3 and 0. That would be a set of relations. Okay? Now I can express them graphically. I can express them in a table. If I made a table of x and y values, all the x values here, I have negative 3 is one of my x values. I have 2 and I have 1. And I simply ask myself, what's negative 3 related to? It's related to 0. What's 2 related to? Well, it's related to 3. And what's 1 related to? It's related to negative 2. There's a lot of terminology. I know it takes a little while to get used to it. But all of these x values, this is called the domain. Sometimes we use a capital D. All the y values is called the range, often abbreviated as a capital R. So a relation is a set of ordered pairs. Or you can say it's a set of domains that end up with a set of ranges, or are related to a set of ranges. There's a third way you can show this besides graphically or in a table. Sometimes we call it a mapping. And you know, each one is going to appeal to certain ones of you. Ones that maybe like it ordered, but like a table. Kind of the more graphical people or spatial people will like the coordinate graphs. And some of you that are more symbolic maybe will like what's called a mapping. A mapping, we would just say something like, here's all the possible x values. And I forgot what my 3 were. One of them was negative 3, wasn't it? And one of them was 2, and I don't remember what the other one was. I'll say 1. I can't remember. And then we would show all the possible y values. 0, 3, and negative 2 maybe. And then we just simply show who goes with who. Remember, in a relation, they're related. So in this one, negative 3 goes with 0. 2 goes with 3. And 1 goes with negative 2. Okay? So it's a simple relationship. A relation is simply a set of ordered pairs, a set of x's that goes with y's, or you can say it a set of domains that goes with ranges. And we can show this a number of different ways, through mapping, through a coordinate graph, or through a table of x and y values. Hope that makes sense. I'll see you tomorrow.